Councelor of Faith, finally opening its door in 1917 to the congregation after the proclamation in 1903. This church, which started as a bamboo structure on the east side of Urdaneta City, has served as a shelter for the faithful, an oasis for the searching souls, a sanctuary for the future ministers, and a safe place for religious and historic archives.
After the pronouncement of Don Isabelo de los Reyes in August 3, 1902 in Villas Artes, the Iglesia Filipina Independiente that cut from the umbilical cord of the Roman Catholic Church, the churches now began to grow, and one of them is the Urdaneta City, which was built in 1903. And this facade was finished in 1917. This place is where the brain of Katipunan, Mabini, Apolinario Mabini, stay, and this was the sanctuary of the Katipunan. And at the same time, this place also contributes theological education of the Iglesia Filipina Independiente, not only for Urdaneta City. The locals of Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao study here in theology. The significance of this church is that it caters also the not only the less privileged, but it contributes a lot, especially in history, reminding them that this church is repudiating the struggles of Filipino people before for self-governance.
Ang mini museum dito sa Aglipe Central Theological Seminary ay ginawa upang ma-preserve ang mga mahahalagang mga gamit ng mga bishops at gayon din sa mahahalagang mga dokumento ng simbahan. Napakahalaga ng laman ng mga ito sapagkat karamihan dito ay bahagi ng buhay ng simbahan. Yung kaugnayan sa museo ay hinahanay yung pangalang ito na ibinigay ng mga tao dito. At dito rin makikita at dito rin mapagyayaman ang mga member dito yung kahalagahan ng simbahang ito na itinayo ng mga ninuno na makabayan doon sa museo. Kaya yung kahalagahan ng simbahang ito ay merong kaugnayan nung itatag ito. Ito itinatag ng mga Pilipino, ng maliliit na mga mamamayan na naghahangad na isang malayang simbahan.
As Renato Agoncillo has quoted, the only living and tangible result of the 1896 revolution is this church. Iglesia Filipina Independiente is undoubtedly an important landmark in the city, a reminder of Filipinos' resiliency, bravery, and dedication.